Have you ever unlocked your phone for just a few seconds, only to realize an entire hour had passed without you noticing? This isn't a coincidence. Modern apps aren't just designed to be useful. They're designed to keep you engaged for as long as possible. And the scary question is, how many times have you made a decision you thought was your own, when in fact algorithms were guiding you? The attention economy. In the past, companies competed to sell products. Today, the real competition is for something else. Your attention. Every minute you spend on an app means more data, more ads, and more profits. That's why tech companies employ entire teams of psychologists and programmers to study user behavior. Why it's hard to stop scrolling. One of the most widely used techniques today is known as infinite scroll. The idea is quite simple. There's no clear end to the content. This makes the brain constantly search for the next exciting thing. The same principle is used in slot machines, where you never know when you'll get the next reward. And the result? The user continues watching for much longer than intended. Notifications aren't innocent. The red notifications, sounds, and alerts aren't random. The colors and sounds are designed to quickly grab the brain's attention. When you receive a new notification, the brain releases a small amount of dopamine, the same neurotransmitter associated with rewards and addiction. This is why many people feel a constant urge to check their phones, even without a significant reason. Algorithms know you better than you think. Every like, every search, every second you watch, is analyzed. Modern algorithms can predict the type of content you like, when you're most active, even things you might buy later. In some cases, they may even know your interests before you notice them yourself. Why do angry videos go viral? Studies have shown that content that evokes strong emotions, such as anger, fear, a shock, often receives more engagement. This is why some algorithms push this type of content to users more than others. Because the primary goal is to keep people engaged for as long as possible. Is your phone listening to you? Many people believe their phones are listening to them after seeing ads about things they've talked about. So far, there's no strong evidence that apps are constantly recording conversations for this purpose. But the truth is, the amount of data apps collect about users is enormous, to the point that they can predict your interests with high accuracy without actually needing to listen to you. Artificial intelligence and the future of attention. With the development of artificial intelligence, algorithms have become more capable of understanding human behavior. This raises important questions. Do we still control what we see? Or are systems gradually starting to control what we think? Many experts believe that the next problem won't be a lack of information, but rather the difficulty of escaping it. Technology isn't inherently evil, but it has become far more powerful than most people imagine. Perhaps the most important skill of the future isn't using technology, but the ability to control your attention before someone else does. So the question now is, how many times today did you pick up your phone for no real reason? In today's world, the most dangerous battle is not over information, but over your attention.